This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, the appearance package, a limited slip differential, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, adjustable driver pedals, and DVD entertainment system. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thank you for considering Moritz Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership, located at 9101 Camp Bowie West in Fort Worth.